The flying trigger function has reduced production line inspection time by 50%. The application scope of the flying trigger function can cover many complex inspection tasks. It is not limited to triggering cameras, but can also trigger scanners through digital output, or rangefinders, and other more diverse detection tasks. The flying trigger feature offers a highly integrated and user-friendly interface, significantly reducing the cycle time required for inspections. Compared with traditional inspection, that robot need to stop at the inspection point and wait for the camera to take the photo before starting to move again, flying trigger greatly shortens the cycle time for completing the overall inspection task and improve efficiency.